Skerper Turkish dessert, very delicious and looks so good as you see. The cookies have touch of coconut which make it so delicious. In this video with 4 ingredients with oil we make a beautiful dessert very famous in Turkish and Arabic country, and here it is. The way to do it is so easy. Beginning, we make the syrup 500 gram water, 600 gram sugar, 1 or half lemon juice. When it's boiling, you wait 3 minutes. So water, sugar, lemon juice. When it's boiling, you wait 3 minutes. You remove the foam from the syrup, and that's it. Keep it aside to cool down. 3 eggs, 120 gram oil, vegetable oil, 60 gram icing sugar. We mix it all together. Very important to put pinch of vanilla, any type of vanilla you have. And later on, when it's foaming like a sponge, we added the dry ingredients. 130 gram soft semolina, 300 gram flour, 12 gram baking powder. Very important. So we mix all together to be dough. You can see the liquid absorb all the dry ingredients and your dough is ready. Very important, I put pinch of coconut, 2 spoons of coconut, which is not in the recipe. The original Turkish recipe have no coconut, but this is added from my side because it's kind of touch, make very good company. You mix it as you see, soft and so easy, and you shape it directly. Don't wait, just shape it directly. I cover it only for 2 minutes to prepare the trays. 2 minutes only, and then I roll it. Very important to see the shape because it's shape of eye. Is better to scale all ingredients to be the same size. Like you cut, very important, it's almost 12 gram. So if you have a scale hand, you can do it as I do, or you cut it 12 gram each. 1 egg, little bit of milk, and you brush the cookies as you see. Very important to cover it very well. This is very important to cover the dough or the cookies because it gives a shiny looking, and with the fork you have this mark which make it so delicious. Very important to use the back of the fork, and direct you can bake it. Before baking, of course, I must reheat 10 minutes the oven. 175, it takes 10 minutes, maximum 11. And you have the most delicious cookies. As soon as out of the oven, you cover with the syrup. If you want too much syrup, you can cover it all. If you want a light syrup, it's depend about how sweet you want. And that's it. The most delicious Turkish dessert. Don't work harder, just work smarter.